Welcome, gardening enthusiasts. Today we delve into the enchanting world of Sweet Woodruff, a delightful and versatile plant with a captivating history. Join us as we uncover its origins, unique characteristics, ideal growing conditions, and the fascinating ways it can be used in your garden. Sweet Woodruff, also known as Galium odoratum or Master of the Woods, has a storied past native to Europe and parts of Asia. This aromatic herb has been admired for centuries. Its delightful fragrance earned it nicknames like sweet-scented bedstraw and wild baby's breath. With its whorls of lance-shaped leaves and delicate white star-shaped flowers, this perennial herb is a sight to behold. Its low-growing habit and lush green foliage make it an ideal ground cover for shady areas. Caring for Sweet Woodruff is a breeze. This shade-loving plant thrives in well-draining soil and prefers to stay cool during hot summer months. It's the perfect addition to woodland gardens or under trees, where it adds a touch of magic to dim corners. Sweet Woodruff is an excellent companion for other shade-loving plants like hostas ferns and bleeding hearts. Together, they create a harmonious and tranquil atmosphere in your garden. Beyond its ornamental value, Sweet Woodruff offers a variety of uses. Traditionally, its dried leaves were used to scent linens and potpourri, infusing a sweet aroma in homes. In addition, this herb has been employed medicinally for its calming and anti-inflammatory properties. Embrace its captivating history, enchanting fragrance, and essential care tips to bring a touch of magic to your garden. Thank you for joining us on this green journey. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell as we continue to explore the fascinating world of gardening and farming. Happy gardening, everyone.